In this video, I'll show you how to find new base meme coins on Dexscreener. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, what you need to do, you need to head over to your preview, right? Now, for you to find tokens or meme coins that are newly launched on the base network, what you're going to do now, I'm going to click. You can see I'm currently on the Ethereum, right? I'm going to click on the page, right? Once I've clicked on the base, I'll wait for it to load. Once it has opened, I'll come on here, I'll click on this new page, right? Click on the newest. You can see right here, you can see tokens that are launched. A minute, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on and so forth. So this is basically how you can find new base meme coins on Dexscreener. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you guys for joining another video. This video basically is for educational purpose only. I'll see you guys in the very next one.